Hello YouTube. Today we're going to take a short trip from the Royal Gorge area to the Colorado Prison Museum in Cannon City, Colorado via the 800-foot high, one-way, one-lane Skyline Drive. Skyline Drive is a narrow 2.6-mile scenic road that follows the top of a razorback ridge overlooking Cannon City, Colorado. It's located about 9 miles east of the Royal Gorge, Cannon City's most well-known attraction. It's a great addition to a trip to this historic town. The history of Skyline Drive is just as intriguing as its steep uphills and downhills. Built using labor from 60 inmates at the nearby prison, the road was finished in 1905. In its early days, Skyline Drive only allowed horse-drawn buggies and foot traffic. But in 1907, automobiles were allowed on its road and have predominated ever since. This gave more and more people access to the panoramic views from atop the ridges of the Hogback Hills. Tourists and photographers came from as far as New York and Paris to take photographs and share in the scenic beauty of the Arkansas River Valley. Today, Skyline Drive remains a staple attraction in Cannon City, and you can experience the thrills of this drive for free on your next visit. Be aware, there are no guardrails keeping you from driving off the side of the road. Just sheer cliffs surrounding you as you navigate the intense inclines and declines. There are, however, many places to stop off and take in the incredible scenery as well as photographs. If you're up for a hike, be sure to check out the old Skyline Drive Trail, which is a short 1 mile out and back trek that takes you even higher atop the Razorback Ridge and enhances the view by tenfold. As if the scenery alone isn't enough, there are also paleontological remnants along this historic drive. Keep an eye out for the dinosaur prints just past the entrance, which were discovered along the ridge by a paleontology student in 1999. These prints were made by a family of armored dinosaurs that lived during the Cretaceous period as they trekked westward through the muddy marshlands. It should be noted that Skyline Drive is not for the faint of heart or for those unfamiliar with narrow mountain roads. Be careful navigating the shoulders or attempting to pass other cars. There is a reason that Skyline Drive is a one-way, and you cannot change your mind and turn around if you are afraid. But if you're in the mood for a hair-raising, adrenaline-pumping experience, which offers unreal views of the surrounding scenery, Skyline Drive can't be beat. Cannon City in southern Colorado is the home of the Museum of Colorado Prisons, a showcase of the atmosphere and exhibits of days, staff, and inmates gone by. A visit to the Royal Gorge region isn't complete without stopping and doing time in this historic cell house that was the original women's correctional facility, and it was constructed in 1935. you.